Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you in a dock and swimming and boating environment how to use a combo sling to place it on the user so that you can get into your lift. Okay, so our first step is we're going to go around the person here. Now, bear in mind, if the person doesn't have the ability to hold themselves, you're going to have to stand in front. This particular user has no problem with that. So we go right down to where the rubber meets the road, all the way down. Put your fingers in this little pocket right here. Okay, right down to where we hit the wheelchair cushion, and then around the sides of the thighs and underneath the thighs. Put the straps over the top here so that they stay in place. If you've got a controller, I'm going to move that right out of the way.
Always turn it off first.
Good idea.
Now let's talk.
Okay, we're going to bring that right around the side and underneath the legs. Now, if you've done it right, you've got both straps sticking up the same amount, which is the case here, and you're all set and ready to go for the next step, which we'll show you in the video in the notes field below.